Can't turn on your Roborock S7 or can't charge when returning to the dock? Don't worry. See how we've helped customers with their problems. Our customer came to us with a Roborock S7 robot vacuum that was unable to charge when returning to the dock. When we tried turning on the robot vacuum, it wouldn't charge or turn on, even though it was connected to the dock. After conducting an investigation, we found the problem: a dead battery and a rusty fan due to water damage. We recommend a battery replacement and fan replacement, plus a deep cleaning service to restore its peak performance. We started the service and repair process as soon as the customer approved. Then we do unit testing to make sure it worked. And finally, the robot vacuum can be turned on and work with maximum performance. Are you facing a similar situation? Contact us today.